Welcome to Vedantik Biology. In this lesson, we dive into Chapter 5 of Class 11, Biology, Structural Organization in Animals. Let's explore how animals are built, from cells to tissues, organs, and entire systems. Get ready for a visual journey into the architecture of life. All multicellular animals, from earthworms to humans, have different levels of organization. Cells group to form tissues, tissues group to form organs, and organs work together as organ systems. While simple organisms like sponges have a loose cell arrangement, complex animals show a clear hierarchy: tissue, organ, organ system. Let's first understand the fundamental building block: animal tissues. There are four main types of tissues in animals. Number 1, epithelial tissue. These tissues cover the body and internal organs. They can be flat like squamous epithelium, cube-shaped like cuboidal, or tall like columnar epithelium. Special types include ciliated epithelium and glandular epithelium, found in the respiratory tract and glands. Number 2, connective tissue. This tissue connects, supports, and binds. It includes, number 3, areolar tissue between skin and muscles. Adipose tissue stores fat. Tendons and ligaments connect muscles and bones. Cartilage and bone provide support. Blood, the fluid connective tissue transporting nutrients and oxygen. Number 4, muscular tissue. This tissue helps in movement. It includes skeletal muscles, voluntary and striated; smooth muscles, involuntary, found in internal organs; cardiac muscles, found only in the heart, in involuntary and rhythmic. Number 5, nervous tissue. Made of neurons, this tissue is responsible for transmission of messages through electrical impulses. Let's now study the anatomy of a few animals, starting with the earthworm or Ferritima. Earthworms live in soil and help in improving its fertility. Externally, their bodies are long, cylindrical, and segmented. They move using setae, small bristle-like structures. Their body is divided into segments or metameres. Internally, they have a simple organ system. The alimentary canal is straight and runs throughout the body. The blood vascular system is closed and includes hearts, vessels, and blood. Earthworms breathe through their moist skin. They are hermaphrodites, meaning each individual has both male and female reproductive organs. They reproduce sexually. Next is the cockroach, a common pest but a fascinating creature. Cockroaches are reddish-brown with a hard outer skeleton called the exoskeleton, made of chitin. They have 3 body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings are attached to the thorax. The head carries compound eyes and antennae. Internally, they have a digestive system with parts like the crop and gizzard, an open circulatory system with hemolymph flowing freely. The tracheal system for respiration is a network of tubes that supply oxygen directly to tissues. Malpighian tubules for excretion. Cockroaches are also unisexual. Males and females are separate. Now let's jump into the frog, an amphibian. Frogs live both on land and in water. Their skin is moist and helps in cutaneous respiration, breathing through skin. They have 2 pairs of limbs, forelimbs and hindlimbs. The eyes have nictitating membranes for protection, and they also have a tympanum for hearing. Internally, frogs have a well-developed digestive system from mouth to cloaca, a 3-chambered heart, 2 atria, and 1 ventricle, a closed circulatory system, and blood with nucleated RBCs. Respiration occurs through lungs, skin, and buccal cavity. They are carnivorous, feeding on insects. Frogs reproduce sexually, and fertilization is external. Animals have specialized structures for different functions. Studying earthworms, cockroaches, and frogs helps us understand the diversity of animal architecture. From tissue-level organization to complex organ systems, nature's engineering is truly fascinating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vedantik for more amazing biology content. Stay curious and keep learning.